Welcome to this guided meditation voiced by kids. Little adventurers, we will transport you into the enchanting world of charades. Find a comfortable spot to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Get ready to embark on an imaginative journey where you'll become a master of nonverbal communication and explore the joy of acting without words. Are you ready to unlock your creativity and embrace the magical realm of charades? Let's begin. Imagine yourself standing on a grand stage, surrounded by a vibrant theater filled with excitement. The stage is bathed in bright lights, casting a warm glow all around you. Take a moment to feel the energy of the audience, eagerly awaiting your performance. As the curtains rise, feel a surge of confidence and anticipation coursing through your veins. You are about to play the most extraordinary game of charades, where your gestures, expressions, and movements will speak volumes. With each breath, feel your imagination come alive. Visualize a deck of cards in your hand, each one representing a different word or phrase. Pick a card and hold it close to your heart. As you do, feel the essence of the word seeping into your being, igniting your creativity. Now, step forward onto the stage and let the magic of charades guide you. With grace and precision, convey the word or phrase on your card through your body language. Express it with your hands, your facial expressions, and your whole being. Feel the joy and freedom that comes from communicating without words. As the audience watches your every move, embrace their energy and encouragement. Allow yourself to immerse in the moment, fully embodying the essence of the word. Whether it's acting out an animal, a famous character, or an everyday object, let your imagination run wild. Sense the connection between you and the audience as they try to guess your charade. Notice the excitement and laughter that fills the air. Cherish the magical bond that forms when we share moments of playfulness and connection. Now, it's time to pass the torch to the next performer. Watch as they take their place on the stage. Their movements fluid and expressive. Observe with curiosity and wonder as they bring their charade to life. Feel a sense of appreciation for their creativity and the diverse ways we can communicate without words. As the game continues, enjoy the thrill of guessing the charades of others. Tap into your intuition and observation skills, embracing the challenge of deciphering the nonverbal cues. Celebrate each correct guess with a burst of excitement, and hold space for gentle curiosity when the answer eludes you. Now, as the charades game reaches its climax, feel a surge of energy and anticipation. The stage is set for the grand finale, where everyone comes together for a spectacular round of group charades. As you gather with your fellow adventurers, notice the sense of camaraderie and unity that fills the air. Each person carries a card with a word or phrase, and together you form a circle, ready to take turns and create a mesmerizing display of silent storytelling. Feel the collective excitement as the first person steps into the center of the circle, ready to act out their charade. Their movements are bold and expressive, captivating the attention of everyone present. With every gesture, they paint a vivid picture without uttering a single word. As the spotlight shifts from one person to another, allow yourself to fully immerse in the experience. Embrace the challenge of guessing the charades, and let your imagination run wild as you decipher the nonverbal clues. Trust in your intuition and the power of observation. Witness the joy and laughter that ripple through the group as each charade is revealed. It's not just about getting the answer right. It's about the shared moments of playfulness, connection, and the delightful surprises that unfold with each performance. In this moment, you realize that charades is not merely a game, but a celebration of imagination and the magic of human expression. It teaches us the importance of listening with our eyes and understanding one another beyond words. As the final round approaches, take a deep breath and let the excitement build within you. It's your turn to step into the center of the circle, to embrace the challenge and delight your friends with your charade. Feel the support and encouragement radiating from the group as you take your place. With confidence and creativity, bring your word or phrase to life. Let your body become a canvas of expression, conveying the essence of your charade with finesse and flair. Notice the smiles and animated whispers as your friends try to unravel the mystery. In this moment of shared playfulness and connection, you realize that charades has not only brought joy and laughter, but also strengthened the bonds of friendship. It has taught you the power of nonverbal communication and the beauty of collective imagination. As the game draws to a close, feel a sense of contentment and fulfillment. The memories created, the laughter shared, and the bonds formed will forever be cherished. Take a moment to express gratitude for this magical experience and the wonderful people who joined you on this charades adventure. As you gently open your eyes, carry the essence of the charades adventure within you. Let it remind you of the power of nonverbal communication, the joy of shared play, and the strength of friendship. Treasure the memories and lessons of this guided meditation, allowing them to inspire you to continue embracing creativity, connection, and the magic of nonverbal expression. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing the spirit of the charades adventure back with you. Carry the joy, the imagination, and the connection in your heart, allowing them to guide you in embracing the wonders of nonverbal communication and the magic of play. Treasure the memories and lessons of this guided meditation, and let them enhance your everyday experiences. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more meditation content. Like or share this video.